Today, I'm going to show y'all how to do an oil change with long nails. For all my girlies out there who don't think that they can do it, I'm going to show you how. So first thing you're going to need is a change of clothes. You are definitely going to want to put something on that you can get dirty. So I just have on, you know, whatever, and a towel. It's crazy hot. So second thing is your oil. You're gonna want to go to the store, figure out what your oil is. Don't know how to figure out where to locate your oil. Pop your hood, which I will show a little clip of. Pop your hood and get your oil tight. And then you have to get the oil, what is this called? The oil filter as well. So you need both of those. The third thing, you need your tools. So you're going to need a jack stand and what is this called, a jack? Yeah, one on both sides. You need the real deal jacks and jack stands, and always put something behind your car so your car doesn't roll back. So now that you have both of the sides jacked, I jacked it up a little bit higher because I'm a little big. So both sides are jacked up. Now we're going to get under the car. Okay, so now we're gonna get our little handy dandy little creeper swivel thing, and we're going to go under the hood. These look like they just pop off. So when you're under here, you have to figure out how to take off the bottom piece. Right there. These, yeah, those are metal. Those are the same. It says just twist it. Yeah. Right there's a screwdriver. So on this car, it's just this little area, which is nice. So we don't have to take all this off. But typically, if you have another car where you have to take all this off to get to your oil, that's what it's gonna look like. And that is the oil filter thing you have to take off. Okay, so now that we figured that out, we can get this thing rolling. Okay, so you're going to need a oil pan, of course, for your oils to drop under, and a towel just in case it drips, and you're going to need a screw to unscrew it. And that's all you're gonna need for now until the oil drips. So the thing is right here where we need to take it off. So we're gonna see if, God, this girl. With this first. That's a little too big. Then you gotta figure out which one, you gotta figure out what socket is going to fit for this. Always remember your oil, it's going to splash out this way. So make sure you have your bowl out farther enough, and if you want to put a towel underneath to protect your concrete, or if you're in the garage or whatever, you can do that. You just put the little swivel adjustment piece on to see if we can get it. Let's see. So this is the aftermath of me spinning it really fast. So that's why you always keep a towel handy. It wasn't nothing crazy, you know. It's fine. Okay, so now that it's pretty much done dripping, we're gonna plug it back up with that screw that we just took out, and then we'll take the oil filter out. Get the damn thing on. Okay, so now that I have it on, I'm gonna go in with the handheld one and screw it back in. So now you're gonna get your handy dandy, whatever the hell this is, this ugly ass shit, and you're gonna screw. So now I have my new one screwed on. There's a new oil filter. We put the bolt back on. Everything's cleaned up. The last thing you need to do is locate where your oil is, which is right there. Your dipstick is probably colored, most likely. That's where it is. Okay, so you just get, like how I was telling you guys, where you can figure out where your oil is. That's exactly what it will say, the oil that you need. So you just go to the store, find your number, it's the same exact number, and that's how you find your oil. Now quarts, this is a 5 quart. It will tell you on the bottle, whatever quart you need, get it. Drop the car so it's easier to put the oil in. You don't want to put the oil in slanted, you want to keep it on a flat surface. So we'll drop the car now and put the oil in. Okay, so you're gonna put your funnel in. I'm gonna set y'all down right here. Put your funnel in. Grab your oil. Before you turn her on, remove this. Put your cap back on, because if not, it's gonna splat everywhere. I've been there, done that. So put this back on. Tightly. Move all this stuff out the way. And now we're going to start her up. So we're just going to start her. Okay, so you don't let everything